Today I'm going to talk briefly about Microsoft Excel 2010's Ribbon. For those of you that haven't used 2007 or 2010 version of Excel, it's quite a big change. So the first thing we're going to do is look down here. The Ribbon has 5 parts to it. First part is Quick Access Toolbar. So as I go through each part, I'll just check off the box here. So Quick Access Toolbar is what you see up here in the left corner. It allows you to basically add commands that are the most useful for you. So if you just see where my mouse is here, I'm going to click on this little drop down, and it's going to bring up a box that will, let me just click this. We can see how it says here, more commands. Click that, and see the 3 things on this side are what I currently have. I could bring something over as well. Let me do that. So I'll take this one, for example, fill color, and I'll click add. And once I click the OK button, it will put it up there for us. Let's pick one more. Let's say font color. I'll add that one as well. And then I'm going to click the OK button down here in the bottom right. So now you see these new 2 commands that we've got. So this is the Quick Access Toolbar. This sits above the ribbon. So I'll check that one off. The next thing are tabs. So as you see, this whole area here, if you follow my mouse, this is all considered the ribbon. And the ribbon consists of different tabs. So currently we're on the Home tab. Then we've got Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, and you may or may not have the Developer tab. We'll get into that later. So you've got all these different tabs here, and then there's a further set of commands after that. So those are the different tabs. You can just sort of practice going back and forth. We'll click that off. And now groups. Within each tab, you've got different groups. You can see here the clipboard. This is the clipboard group. Here we've got a group for a font. Everything related to making text bold, underline, italic, changing the font, the size of the font, etc. Next, we've got alignment. You can merge things, you can wrap things, and then number, where you can format numbers. Styles, conditional formatting. You can format a bunch of data as a table. All these other things that we'll go into detail much later on. So those are your different groups within each tab. We'll click that one off. Now, command buttons. This is a command button where my mouse is right now. So you see there, it gives a description when you hover over top of a command button. You just wait about 1 second whenever you're hovering over a command button, and it'll tell you what it does. They also have a little drop down as well. If you click where that little drop down is right there, you'll see different features. So we've got command buttons all over the different. Let's go into a different tab. We'll go into the group for, let's say, text. Okay, this is a group, and then here are the command buttons within the group. So you kind of see the hierarchy. You start with a tab. We'll pick data. You go to a group. We will pick sort and filter, and then if we had some data, you'd hover over these buttons, these command buttons, and we'd work with them. So we've covered those 4 now. The last one is Dialog Launchers, which most people tell me they've never even heard of. So they are a bit tricky to find, but here's one right here. This is when you just hover over it, you see what it does. There's different ones in different tabs. Let's find another one. Here, you see how it says the clipboard here. You click on that, and you get this little thing here, the clipboard. There's another one here for formatting. There's one over here for numbers. So there's format cells. Sorry, my machine got a bit slow there. So alignment, all the different things in here, sort of the old style dialog box, and number. You can do it this way. Look at it like that. So those are the basics of the ribbon. 5 different parts. Once you it takes a while to get used to it, but I will go into detail more later on.